Sri Narendra Jadhav.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise to support the Companies Amendment Bill 2019. Sir, there are some very important amendments proposed in the bill, but I'm going to focus on only two. First, for commencement of a business, a company after incorporation has to file a verification of its registered office with the registrar of companies, and the registrar can carry out physical verification as well. This provision is very important because this requirement of verification of registered office will help in keeping check on shell companies. Shell companies are a menace due to their indulgence in illegal activities. They are business operations that exist only on paper without any formal establishment and lie dormant to facilitate illegitimate activities. For this reason, the move to empower the registrar to carry out physical verification where he or she believes that the company is not carrying on any business or operations will help in cracking down on shell companies. Further, a penalty of 50,000 rupees has been prescribed for non-compliance, which is also desirable. Secondly, sir, there is the provisions relating to corporate social responsibility, CSR, have been made more strict, which is again a very, very desirable thing to do, because the bill provides that the amount not spent on CSR must be transferred to a fund specified in Schedule 7 within a period of 6 months of the expiry of the financial year. Sir, the object of CSR is to contribute towards economic, social, and environmental development that creates positive impact on society at large. This proposed amendment ensures that the companies actually contribute towards CSR activities and do not get scot-free simply by paying a penalty for non-compliance. I wholeheartedly support this amendment bill.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Narendra Jadhav ji.